Hey guys, we're going to do a quick tutorial on how to make your own hand sanitizer. So the things that you're going to need is some aloe vera gel. You're going to need at least 60 above rubbing alcohol. I have 70%. I have the oil that I want to put in there. You're going to need an empty bottle. You're going to need a funnel. And it's going to be 1/3 cup that you're going to use for the aloe vera gel and the alcohol. Something to mix it in. All right, let's get started. All right, guys, let's get started. So we're going to need 2 1/3 cups of alcohol. That's 1. Make sure it's filled all the way. That's 2. Now that's the alcohol. Now let's get an aloe vera gel. And you want 1/3 cup as well. Ooh, this aloe vera gel smells so good, so divine. Alright, then you want to pour that in there. Excuse the tapping, y'all, but I'm going to use every damn little drop. I ain't wasting nothing, okay? It took me a long time to get this, so I ain't wasting nothing, honey. No, ma'am. My little area up here. Okay, so next I'm gonna add my oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I want to add a little bit more. Almost out of my gel. 2, 3, 4. All right. Then we want to mix it. And it's going to be a gel-like consistency. That's what you want, so that's fine. I'm going to splash in here. I don't know if you can kind of see that. It's kind of a gel-like. You see it in there. That's what you want. So I'm trying to fill this bottle up. So then we're going to get our little funnel and we're just going to pour it in there. And look, I'm using things around the house. Yes, this is the funnel I use to put oil in my car, honey, okay? All you got to do is clean it out. It works just the same. Thank you. All right, I'm trying to get every nook and cranny. There ain't time to be wasting around here, y'all. No, ma'am. Oh, it feels good. All right, we're back. I like to shake it up just a little bit. And let's test it out here. See that on my hand? Ooh, and it smells so good. And then that oil gives it a little bit of luster. You can see that on my hands. Smells so good. But that's my DIY hand sanitizer for today. And you guys, remember, you need to wash your hands. They want us to sanitize, it's great, but washing is always better. And remember, if you're getting packages, if you're getting mail, make sure to wipe that stuff off and sanitize it, okay? Thank God I got in early, so I still have me some. So I hope you guys do too. If not, we can make some wipes. So there's other ways that we can get around from the hoarders trying to take everything out of the store. But just be vigilant, you guys. Be safe. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and we'll see you next time. Bye.